celery juice crazy. We're gonna be juicing celery juice for 7 days. This was made very popular by Anthony Williams from Medical Medium. He claims that this has a plethora of health benefits. From Anthony's website, he claims that celery juice has sodium cluster salt, which is still undiscovered by the medical professionals and scientists. It's a subgroup of mineral salt, and it strips down pathogens, damages it, kills it, and destroys all the bugs that are behind autoimmune diseases, Hashimoto's, psoriasis, eczema, acne, and skin conditions. And it revives liver cells, and it flushes out all the toxins. So anything that you may have in your body, such as old pharmaceuticals, heavy metals, pesticides, herbicides, and you'll experience less digestive problems. If you have acid reflux, you'll have more energy, and you will have less brain fog. So we'll see if it works. The protocol is to consume 16 ounces every day on an empty stomach. Just celery juice. Don't add lemon to this, water, ice cubes, any other fruits, veggies, just celery juice, because if you do, you will neutralize the salt clusters in this. Now it's time to taste it. Okay, here we go. I spilled, Okay, it's very earthy. Very earthy. Oh my goodness, okay. Definitely tastes like celery. I've had celery juice before as a base for other juices. I've never had it alone, so this is a little bit like in the throat kind of thing. So my first time actually having pure celery juice. Okay, down to 8 ounces. I can do this. I have to say I haven't had anything in my stomach, so I am really hungry and really thirsty, and in its really weird way, it's satisfying to me. I'm that hungry. Oh man.
All right, what do you think?
It's not the tastiest thing in the world, but I could definitely get used to it. If you've ever had kava, that's really earthy, like the earthiest pure thing I've ever drank. This is actually not that bad. I have celery juice all over my face, but it's day one. I'm learning how to drink celery juice. This is what comes with it, right? Okay, done, son, woo!
All right, so Tippy had a hard time drinking this. I got the second half, so it kind of settled down to the bottom. I feel like this side is gonna be worse. Let's see. All right, my 16 ounces. It's not, I don't know, I don't think it's that bad. It is earthy, as Tippy said. It tastes like liquefied celery. That's exactly what it is, and that's what it tastes like. And that's how you do it.
And that's how I will try to do it.
There you go, gotta pound it.
Bingo. Oh man, easy peasy. Love this juicer. Day 2. Okay. Still earthy. Tastes like Mother Nature. Shake it up because it settles. This tastes a lot better because it's cold. Okay, recap on day 1. Day 1, didn't really feel a whole lot. Now, I was at Costco, we were shopping, waiting in line, and I didn't even make it to the cashier. I had to go to the restroom. I did empty out at the Costco restroom. That was unexpected. It was just all of a sudden, waiting in line, like, oop, I gotta go. You've had those moments before, but that's about it. I mean, it's day 2. We're drinking it on empty stomach, making sure that we're completely empty when we're drinking it, so we'll see what happens. some celery juice here, and I'm just gonna chug it and try to do my hair at the same time. This one is the best tasting one so far, I have to say. I don't know what you did to it, but it tastes really good. Day 3, let's go. We're on the road to San Francisco for the day. I was just saying to Ryan, I don't feel a whole lot different. I mean, besides burping up celery juice on the reg, that's about it. But Ryan was saying that he felt that he was more hydrated. All right, day 4. Getting a lot easier to drink this thing. Okay, day 4, what do I notice? That the celery juice keeps you satiated, so it keeps you fuller longer. You don't really crave a whole lot. It's satisfying in its weird own way. Excuse me, still burping up celery juice. Yeah, a lot of burps of celery juice throughout the day still. Bowel movements are regular. I'm a regular person, so that was an area I don't really need help with. Day 5. Definitely don't mind the taste anymore. It's just celery juice, water, celery juice in the morning. Okay, so day 5, excuse me, I feel like I do that every single time I drink this. Differences in the body. Yesterday, day 4, I definitely noticed that I was peeing a lot more. Celery juice is the natural diuretics. It's gonna flush out excess water, salt. Definitely felt lighter. I felt less bloated. So that was the biggest difference yesterday, and more hydrated. I didn't need as much water as I usually do throughout the day. I wasn't grabbing for my water bottle and chugging it like I usually do. It kept me full throughout the day. Like, I didn't really think about food. I didn't think about water. I was just full and I was just hydrated. Just pulled up to the gym. I feel great. My energy level is sustained. It's not dipping. There's no highs, there's no lows. But I tell you what, I am peeing a boatload. I actually got to use the restroom right now, which is insane because I don't pee this much on a regular basis. I am drinking this much water and I am peeing this much. I am peeing oceans, guys. So I'm gonna head into the gym, get my workout on, and use the restroom. Day 6. I've been watching a lot of videos and a lot of people report that their skin's a lot better, but this is my skin right here. I don't have any really ailments I'm trying to cure. I have eczema, but I've cured that with lowering my stress and also a healthier diet. I do want to mention, I am burping up celery. Happens every time after. I do want to mention the calorie content. I haven't talked about that yet. It's 42 calories per 1 cup, and 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. As far as carb content goes, you're looking at 9 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, so 5 net grams of carbs per 8 ounces. And the protocol is to drink 16 ounces a day on an empty stomach, so you're looking at 10 net carbs at the end of the day with celery. It does taste pretty good today. All right, done. All right, it is the morning of day 7. I have to say I don't feel the best today, and it's not because of the celery juice, it is because of allergies. I woke up, my eyes were swollen, my throat was itchy. I know this is supposed to help with allergies. I'll update you later on tonight if I feel better, but right now I'm dragging.
2 hours later.
Just got home from the gym and I feel so much better than I did this morning. I did notice that during my workout, I didn't reach for my water bottle. I didn't even drink water during my workout, which was really, really odd for me. Usually I am a camel, guys. I am guzzling water after a workout. After a set, I'm reaching for it. but I did not, and it didn't even hit me until after I was done. I was walking in my car, I'm like, wait a minute, I didn't even drink water today. That's weird. My muscles are not as sore. It may be in my head, but people do report that it's helped with inflammation, joint pain. I don't feel as sore as I usually do, which I think is a good thing.
All right, so we just completed 7 days of drinking celery juice in the morning, just like how Anthony Williams tells you to do it. And we definitely want to go over some of our conclusions with you. What did we think about this entire thing? The pro that I would say is when you drink the celery juice in the morning, you're gonna feel satiated for a while. It just kind of like sits in your stomach. It makes you feel full. My personal con is it's messy. Come on, juicing is just a messy process, and it's gonna vary a lot depending on what juicer you have.
Our juicer is really clean. We'll link it down in the description box below for you if you are interested. My pro about this whole entire thing is that it is economical. It is $2.25 per 16 ounce of organic celery juice, which equates to $63 a month if you're buying it from Costco. And you could add this on to any routine. If you are doing primal, if you're doing keto, if you are low carb, you're vegan, vegetarian, you could add this on to any diet. As far as my con, I burped up so much celery juice the whole entire week. I really did not like that. And it felt like even if I was eating a meal, I would burp celery up. I really did not enjoy that. So that's my biggest con about it. But overall, I definitely think that it was a fun experiment. Now the question is, will I personally continue this? The answer is no. I personally didn't, enjoy it. It wasn't like a hell yes for me that I enjoyed it. It's gonna be a no for me, dog.
Will I continue the celery juice? I don't think so. Honestly, I just feel like I can just fast through the morning. I don't really need the celery juice. I only gave it 7 days. I don't think that that's long enough to heal anything. Maybe it's just all in my mind, but I did have a little bit of clearness. I have like a rash on my face that I've been battling, and I feel like that has cleared up some, which is pretty good in just 7 days. So if you have other rashes, maybe it takes a month or something like that. Give it a shot. It's a simple, quick, relatively inexpensive way to try and clear up some of your ailments. So I want to know, have you tried celery juice? If so, how long have you been on it? Did you get any kind of results from it besides maybe just pooping a lot or whatever it is? I'm not sure. I'm curious to hear what your experience has been, or maybe if you're going to try this out, definitely let us know what you think about this whole thing.
All right, guys. This is the first episode of Tippy Tries. If you want to see us try more things, let us know down in the comment section below. As always, if you didn't hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also ring that notification bell so that you can be notified on our next Tippy Tales. All of my socials, everything is linked down below if you want to follow me. As always, guys, we are signing off with some love and some gratitude. We will see you next time.